They said this is very slippery. So what's this, a tunnel?
Looks like.
Wow. Yeah, here.
What? Stones. I know. You know?
Yeah.
Stone.
Somebody put them here.
It was me.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
Go! Get going! Pretty cool. 7 baths. There's a train tunnel. Then there's an actual train sitting up there. Pretty sweet. We're gonna head back down this way. Hopefully without falling. Hey, fun. Hey, geez. Cool. So now we're headed away from the water. Going up into the woods.
You okay, Mo?
It's quite a hike up here. I am out of shape. It's nice out here. I like when the wind doesn't blow. What you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
On that.
Oh, okay.
Had really out
Here, give us a shot of that tooth.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Give a shout out to anybody?
No one's actually.
Not even the outdoor boys? For making you want to go outside?
Yeah, kind of the outdoor boys. If you ever see this, this one this is you. Whoa!
Wow. That's a big power tower.
Ooh, there's writing on it.
Hey, now.
I'm gonna cross another river! Yay! Oh, there's supposed to snow here.
Yeah.
Look at that. I don't know that way. Gotta get that.
You're fine. You're the best rock climber there we have. Oh.
Oh.
I'm not talk like this. I feel like I would go faster like
What happened?
I don't
They
know.
might have a
Sticker bush?
I think it maybe.
So we finally stopped and made camp.
Yeah, we did.
There's Grayson's over there climbing the tree. Scarlett's enjoying her hot cocoa. There's Mommy waiting for our hot cocoa. Check out this sweet table that we made. We got
Oh, that.
all of our tools. This jet boil that I've had for, years. Never used it before. I think I boiled water once, but we're heating up milk for our hot cocoa. First batch, pretty good? Good. What's Grayson doing? Sitting on his tree? Some more trees that the tornado took down. Well, maybe these just fell over from the water, but... Oh, is it good?
yeah.
Yeah? In your Walt Disney World cup?
Yeah.
Nice.
What? We got these really cool cups.
So the path finally turned. Now we're heading back towards the car. I'm filming. What do you got? What do you got?
We got these fun cups at Disney World.
I know. They last forever. Can I take the lid off without throwing everything into the ground? Oh, milk. Getting warm. Pretty cool. This is like real adventure stuff. Man, it's like green and tan and brown. I like the color of that rock down there.
Yeah.
It's so clear. You see any fishes?
No.
What do they do in the winter?
I don't know.
So we're back. This must be the Seven Tubs. Down here in this cut with a bridge that goes over top. Check this out. 1902. Pretty interesting.